Look at this.
What's its current price? Sorry,
It's just in around a
under a cent.
Just in around, and I look now a week below this level, but the 94 mark was my mark, and then in around the 8 cents.
0.8 cents. That's less.
Yes. So because of those liquidity pools, let's just drag this now and see. So it did come like that pink candle came down right to the, nearly like just a small bit below. It bounced below. Probably it just recovered just up to this point. Yeah, gave us a little scare down below. Now that's why I have this level marked here, because of this big green vector candle. You know, when they come down that low, and there is so much money still down here, what's stopping them from going there? You know, unless, yeah, again, mind games. Are they just gonna leave it there and come back up and then make another horribly scary move like we have seen in a few months' time, just to come back again? Because there was a lot of money, guys, committed in this area right now. So what I'm again kind of thinking in my head, like, I know there's a lot more money down the bottom or in around the 20,000 mark in Bitcoin, right? But there was a lot of money now that was committed in this drop. Is it not enough for them to play that range right now and come back up to it, up higher, and play those ranges for a while before dropping again back down below? So that's why I say wait. With Veracity, I mean, I'm still extremely bullish about it. I have to say, hope I'm not breaking anybody's hearts, but there are projects I'm more bullish about at this point than Veracity. I don't like that they're not answering directly the issues that people are raising. I think this whole wallet in KuCoin is still unanswered. So their token mix there's still a question mark. Am I correct to say that, Milky? Have you heard any news about Veracity and their...
No, it's really annoying actually, because they've done AMAs, but they haven't talked about it. Yeah. So it's like it doesn't exist. The questions that people have, they're disregarding it completely, which is really, really frustrating. And also, there's still no sign yet of this promised updated white paper, updated tokenomics. It's still not materialized.
Yeah, so, I mean, they were making terrible mistakes last year with when they were announcing their news. And I don't know whether they seem to be kind of following the same path right now. Maybe they had something planned and this drop happened. Hard to say. It is okay. Look, it is one that I like the passive income play to it. I like their solutions. I like what they're doing. It's not like there aren't projects out there that there are questions about them and they're doing great. And there shouldn't be a reason why Veracity shouldn't be doing great. But I am most likely not going to be buying anymore. I'm going to leave my bag to stake, and I'm just going to wait for this to turn. Maybe I'm making a mistake, but I think market, you know, has come up with so many, there's amazing projects out there. We will be talking, myself and Milky, with Serenity Shield Wednesday, tomorrow. And I really would love all of you to come actually and join us as well, because the stream will be free for everybody to join. So that's one actually I think I would nearly, whatever extra capital I might have had, would be like putting it into Serenity rather than buying more Veracity. Like I said, I'm happy to keep my bag staking. It is currently underwater because I think my average buy was in around 25 mark, 0.025. So I'm just gonna let it sit there and do its thing. when it comes back up, it will come back up. You know, I don't see this project not going back up. It will do great. There's going to be new investors coming in. Like I said.
Well, all you have to do is just zoom out, don't you? Just zoom out on that chart, Marta, and they'll see what happens last time it went down this level.
Yeah. I mean, look. That's it.
You know?
Crazy. So most likely, this is going to see another spike. Whether we keep dropping, it is going to eventually do this, you know, back the ball. Veracity will be probably one of the strongest to rebound. Still, you know. But I don't think I'll buy more at the minute. Those are still my levels if people want to get. And unfortunately, it does mimic a Bitcoin a lot right now. And we are in and around similar structure to Bitcoin. If we lose this mark, you see yourself, guys, there's this big gap, a lot of green candles. We could stop in around the 4 here, 2 zeros and a 4. We could stop somewhere in around 2 zeros and a 3. Those levels, that would be bear market prices. And if Bitcoin loses the 28 something we were looking at earlier, Veracity will bleed as well. People, those that are still holding and staking, most likely will sell as well, because a lot of people have bought very low, put money aside, put it into staking, and they will just take their profit and come back for much lower. Because once we break this structure, I think everybody will be expecting us to come down to total bear, like annihilation nearly levels, and a lot of people will just cause this cascade of prices to come down once Bitcoin drops lower and doesn't hold in around now. So I think, guys, I'm going to wrap it up because we're usually do an hour. We're a little bit longer because this has to, I would love to have this out today, so I need to send it out as soon as possible to my editor. And they still have to watch all of this to edit. And I'm going to wrap it up. Unless anybody else has some pressing matters, anything important they want to mention, talk about, I'm going to say...
Yeah, anything at all, anyone? Because you know, I've been away for the last couple of weeks, as some of you may know. So if there's any news you want to share, now's the time. I guess that's a no, Marta.
Okay, well, it was great to have you guys. I hope you found this very useful. Thanks very much, Milky, and everybody else chipping in. A quick reminder, myself and Billy have this battle on Thursday. Going to the events up on the top. You'll find all the details for the time and when it's happening. Please support us. It was great last time. I'm hoping to have the same great atmosphere this time, and of course win the challenges.
And I'm definitely the best cheerleader in the world 100%.
Ever. So it'd be amazing to have you all guys over. And yeah, like I said, we have Serenity in my and Milky's Discord in Lucky Apes this Wednesday evening. So tomorrow evening, I have it put up on Twitter and in Instagram, I think, as well. Sorry, Telegram. So you can find links there as well. Would be amazing if you came, guys, and listened to what Serenity has to say. Because, yeah, I think this will be one that will revolutionize how people think about crypto and nearly make those that are super scared about it change their mind.
A game changer for sure.
A game changer for sure. So we're very, very excited about this. Anyway, thanks a million, guys, and we'll be talking to you soon.
Okay.
Have a
cheers,
great
everyone.
week, guys. Bye.